We inform, we advance, we strengthen our knowledge and information. Greetings to everyone. You are welcome here by me, Ramasene, for another video. On this video, as I've said on the previous video, we are going to talk about the events at Madlanga Commission. And on this video, we are going to talk about the mentioning of EFF once again by another policeman called Sergeant Nkosi. Please watch until the end of the video to understand and hear what is my view in regard to what really that means. But we'll hear that Mr. Sergeant Nkosi have mentioned EFF during his saving of a contact number of a man called Z Numa. Please watch the video and find for yourself and try to help me understand what is it about the policeman in relation to Julius Malema and EFF. Watch the video and come and watch again.
He's in your phone book, isn't he?
That's correct.
And you communicate with him on WhatsApp.
That's correct.
And what name do you use for him in your WhatsApp communication?
Zenzile EFF.
Zenzile EFF.
That's correct.
Why Zenzile EFF?
This is how I saved him, as Zenzile EFF.
Fellow South Africans, what was happening is that Sergeant Nkosi have had a letter being read by Chairman Madlanga himself, on which he is trying to describe his fear of coming to the Madlanga Commission because he was actually witness F, but now he is testifying openly. And then he mentioned a couple of numbers of ANC leaders and ANC parliamentarians that have told him that he must never come and testify at the Madlanga Commission. And then of the first important questions was, he saved a man called Nzi Ngumalo, of which you can hear in his testimony. This man called Nzi Ngumalo has been involved in so much of tracing an attempt to arrest a man called Musa Kaula, who had been arrested, been chased by the police after he had mentioned the name of Ket Matala in a particular fashion. And some of the politicians like Fikile Mbalula has been mentioned around. Now, this man called Nzi Ngumalo have Sergeant Nkosi saving his name as Zenzile EFF. And then upon being asked, why do you say Sergeant Nkosi saved Nzi Ngumalo as Zenzile EFF? He only said he just decided to do so. No reason. The commissioners have tried to corner him and ask him in any different ways. He said he just decided to write him as Zenzile EFF. What is it about EFF and the events at Madlanga Commission? What are the policemen having to do with Julius Malema and EFF? What are those to their minds? Or did, in this case, maybe Sergeant Nkosi find it that because he felt threatened by the ANC, or as he said at that time, the ANC people were fighting him, he found it necessary that possibly EFF is the savior for him. What do you think is the reason for him to have decided to save Nzi Ngumalo's name as Zenzile EFF? Is EFF gaining popularity that everybody have a particular feeling, and then it both serve both the enemy and the friends in the same way? The enemy will say EFF is mentioned in a negative way, and the friends will be saying, no, EFF is now an instrument of protection to everyone, because here ANC is mentioned to be threatening them, and the people are even saving their names under EFF. I just decided that I want to hear what people think about this, because in some other times, people have felt like Julius Malema could possibly be mentioned as some of the popular leaders that are involved in the criminal activities. Thanks for watching the video. Please remember to like, comment, and subscribe.